Let's go to fly my DJI Mini 4 Pro. I will fly this drone over the Federal Court Building in Central Islip. This Federal Court Building is actually an icon of Central Islip. Not only Central Islip, it is the icon of Long Island too. It's a nice, beautiful building in Central Islip, and that's the only one building so high all over in Long Island. Wherever you will go to Long Island, you will see this white, nice, beautiful building from anywhere. Even if you go to the Sunken Meadow Park, you can see the building. It is standing like an icon of Long Island. Today I'm flying through a waypoint I already programmed on my controller, how it will fly over the Federal Court Building. I had a wish that one day I will fly that Mini 4 Pro over the Federal Court Building because I love this building so much. Whenever somebody comes to Long Island, wherever you go, from this corner to that corner, from east to west, north to south, you can watch or you can see this beautiful building standing alone, and all other buildings are so low, but this is the only highest building in Long Island, and this is the core building, the place where I flying this Mini 4 Pro. The core building is like 3 kilometers from here. The DJI, they always says the website that it can fly 19 kilometer anyway if you have the battery charge. It depends on the weather and the wind speed. Today it's a little bit high wind. It's like 20-25 miles per an hour. Anyway, I will test my drone how nice it fly. Let's go. It's going right now. It's following my waypoint. I have 14 waypoints, and the way I program it, it will circle the building from 395 foot high from the ground, and after it circles the whole building, it will return to home point. Anyway, right now it's still working nice, but I can see my battery level is going down. I don't know. In doesn't matter. I want to finish this mission today. Let's see. So it shows on the battery icon that I have only 5 minutes left, and the place where I flying it is like a almost like a 3 kilometer. It's almost finishing my mission. It's now on a ninth point, and from ninth point it's going to the 10th point. Then once my drone goes to the front, then it will automatically start the return to home. But it's a little bit scary because battery is going down, and sometimes because of the wind, the speed I programmed 19 miles per hour, but because of the wind, my drone is sometimes going down 3 miles per hour. It's really scary. It's going to my 11 point. And it's beautiful. Looks so nice. Unbelievable. I can't believe it. And even I think it looks so nice from far. That's the only one building so high, and all other houses and buildings are not even 3 story. But this one is like more than I think it's like a 10, 12 story building, and this is really beautiful. I don't know who is the architecture, but the way it is built is really beautiful. Now I have 2 more points. It's circling, but the wind is really, really disturbing and it's scary. I don't know whether it can be able to return to home point. The below you see, those are the parking lot. Actually, they build the parking lot with the solar panels, People, they comes here, they park their car underneath the solar panels. They utilize the parking lot by placing the solar panel too. I heard that the whole uh, court building and other nearby places are run only from the electricity they're producing from the solar panel. It's a good idea though. Now my drone is almost to the 14 point, and after here it will start automatically return to home. Now it will back up a little bit. Let's see. My battery is really giving me warning, very low. It has like only like a 15 or 20, 15%. Yes, battery charge. I have only 15% left. I don't know. It shows it will take. I have only like a 5 minutes left to return it back. Yeah, this is the point where it will automatically start return to home point. Beautiful. It's a sunny day today. You'll see right now. Within second it will start return to back.
Return to home.
It's returning.
Max altitude reached.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know how it will return to back. How it will come back. I don't know. I have only. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit, I don't know where it emergency landed. I don't know. I have to find it out. Oh my god, it shows like a, oh my god, 1,000 meter from here. I don't know whether I will find it or not. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm broke.